What if I told you that the secret to weight loss, clear skin, and better health was sitting in your kitchen right now? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, get ready to be amazed. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV. Yup, that tangy, slightly smelly liquid your grandma probably swore by. By the end of this video, you'll understand why apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is so amazing. Plus, you'll know 5 incredible ways to use ACV that could transform your health and beauty routine. Before we dive in, hit that like button right now. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks for natural health and wellness. So what's special about apple cider vinegar, or ACV? Well, it's packed with acetic acid, which helps the body in 3 ways. First, it fights harmful bacteria. Next, it helps balance pH levels. Lastly, it kicks your metabolism into high gear. But most people have no idea how to use it properly. So let's break down these 5 amazing ACV hacks you need to try. Number 1, weight loss wonder. Be honest. How often have you struggled to zip up your favorite jeans? Maybe you've tried every crazy diet out there, or spent hours at the gym sweating buckets. All for what? To see the scale barely budge. It's enough to make you want to scream, right? But it's not just about looking good in your swimsuit. Carrying extra weight can seriously mess with your health. Imagine this. You're at the park with your kids. They're begging you to chase them, but you're out of breath just watching them run. Not fun, is it? This is where ACV comes in. It can help you feel fuller, making you less likely to raid the fridge at midnight. You know that moment when you're sitting on the couch, watching your favorite show, and suddenly you're hit with an overwhelming urge to snack? Well, all you need to do is mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with a glass of water and drink it before meals to help keep your late-night cravings in check. Number 2, skin-clearing superstar. Raise your hand if you've ever woken up on an important day, maybe a job interview or a first date, only to find a massive zit staring back at you in the mirror. Acne isn't just a teenage problem. Many adults struggle with it too. It can mess with your self-esteem. Think about all the times you felt self-conscious because of your skin, or the money you've spent on expensive creams that promise miracles but deliver disappointment. Left untreated, acne can even lead to permanent scarring, both physical and emotional. Now, I know what you're thinking. Put vinegar on my face? Are you crazy? But hear me out. ACV has antibacterial properties that can zap those zit-causing bacteria. Plus, it helps balance your skin's pH, preventing future breakouts. Think of your skin as a delicate ecosystem. When it's out of balance, that's when the trouble starts. Here's how to use it. Mix 1 part ACV with 3 parts water. Apply it to your face with a cotton ball. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse off. Number 3, digestive health hero. Let's talk about something we all deal with, but nobody wants to discuss: digestive issues. You know those days when your stomach feels like a balloon, and you can't button your jeans after lunch? Or when you're out with friends and suddenly hit with that uncomfortable, bloated feeling? Digestive problems aren't just uncomfortable. They can seriously impact your quality of life. Imagine constantly worrying about what you eat, or planning your day around bathroom breaks. ACV can increase stomach acid production to help your body break down food more efficiently. It also promotes the growth of good gut bacteria. You know, the ones that keep your tummy happy. Simply add a tablespoon of ACV to a glass of warm water before meals. Number 4, hair-raising results. We've all had bad hair days, right? But for some of us, every day feels like a battle with dull, lifeless hair or an itchy, flaky scalp. Over time, neglected hair and scalp issues can lead to hair damage or loss. ACV helps remove gunky product buildup from hair and scalp. It could even fight off the fungi that cause dandruff. It's like giving your scalp a deep clean and reset. Imagine how refreshed your head feels after a good shower. ACV can make that feeling last. Here's what you do. Mix 2 to 4 tablespoons of ACV with a cup of water. After shampooing, pour this mixture over your hair and scalp. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Number 5, blood sugar balancer. Lastly, let's talk about something that affects millions of people: blood sugar issues. You might think this doesn't apply to you, but even if you're not diabetic, unstable blood sugar can wreak havoc on your body. Have you ever experienced that mid-afternoon energy crash where you'd give anything for a nap, or find yourself reaching for sugary snacks to get through the day? These could be signs that your blood sugar is on a roller coaster. High blood sugar is no joke. It can lead to some serious health issues if left unchecked. We're talking about increased risk of diabetes, heart disease, and even nerve damage. Imagine not being able to enjoy your favorite foods or living in constant fear of health complications. ACV is like a traffic cop for your bloodstream, helping regulate sugar flow. It improves insulin sensitivity and slows down how quickly sugar enters your bloodstream. Try taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV mixed with water before meals, especially if you have something carb-heavy. Now, before you run off to chug a glass of ACV, remember these 3 important tips. 1. Always dilute ACV with water. If taken straight, it can damage your teeth and irritate your esophagus. 2. If you have health conditions, chat with your doctor before starting an ACV regimen. 3. Remember that while ACV is amazing, it's not a miracle cure. It works best as part of a healthy lifestyle. So there you have it, 5 incredible ACV hacks that could change your life. From weight loss to glowing skin, better digestion to balanced blood sugar, apple cider vinegar or ACV is a jack of all trades when it comes to health and beauty. Imagine waking up daily feeling energized, confident in your skin, and free from nagging health worries. That's the power of adding these simple ACV hacks into your daily routine. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Do you have questions? Or do you have your own ACV hack to share? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Until next time.